Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we have Employee ID column, we have Name column, and we have other related data as mentioned here. In this video, we will learn how to highlight row when we get specific word. If right here Other Status, it will not highlight. If I write Status Promotion, it will highlight whole row. This is what we learn in this example, how to create highlight row with certain text. We have used very simple conditional formatting technique. You can use different words and how these words will trigger conditional formatting function. But before that, you are requested to watch full video and subscribe our channel. Let's start our example. We have the data on which we need to use conditional formatting. First, we select the data range. Now go on the Home tab and click on the Conditional Formatting. In the Conditional Formatting, we go on New Rule. Now click on the below mentioned Use a formula to determine which cell to format. Now right here Formula to trigger. First select Cell. Then remove second $sign. Then write equal to. Now type word to trigger like promotion. You can write your own word. Now click on Format. Go on Fill option and select desired color. Now press OK option. Now test our conditional formatting. Whenever we write promotion word, it highlight the whole row. But if I write any other word instead of promotion, it will not color the row. Now if I want to change used color, select whole table range. Again, go on conditional formatting option. Click on Manage Rule. Select the used formula and click on Edit Rule option. Go in Format option to change the color. Select desired color and press OK. Now click on Apply option and again OK. Now you can see the changes. Now test our formula. If you face any issue, please write in our comment section.